Well, if you're familiar with football, then you know the word pitch. Well, the pitch is where you play the game. It's the ground and the pattern for the game. The soccer field or football field. We're going to draw one today. You need a ruler for this, I think, to make it look good. And maybe even use your compass for the circles and the semicircles that are going to go on it, marking the different places where players can and can't be, and so on and so forth. Here we go. A soccer or football pitch. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.